Welcome to Gelous Tutorials. Today I will show you how to create a rhinestone French tip. Once you've completed your nail prep, base coat and optional builder gel, you're ready to add nail art. Tap the information icon in the top right corner to watch our full application tutorial to see these steps in detail. When you're ready, let's get started. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of Sweet Nothings, curing after each coat. Make sure to cap the free edge and leave a small gap at the cuticles. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe away the sticky inhibition layer using a lint-free wipe moistened with gel nail polish remover or a pure acetone wipe. Apply a thin coat of nail art glue along the tip of your nail using your medium liner brush, leaving it uncured. Place rhinestones along the tip of your nail using your dotting tool to create a French tip design. Here I have used the Pastel Rhinestones pack. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat, making sure to cover the rhinestones and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. You can create the same design using our bright rhinestones pack. Thanks for watching.